Nilang primary operator dito sa Fisher Mall. Ito ang aming machine na XP600. Ang aming printer head. Yung copying. Clean. Ito ng wiper. Diyan na. Nozzle test. EBR plug, ground wire, at waste tank. Makakatapon ng kahapon. Aming use supply at in-use supply. The checklist. Ito ang aming workload. Consumable, white, magenta, black, cyan, at yellow.